What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda, and if you love all things home decor, you're in the right place. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Today I'm bringing you guys another fall home decor haul. I told you guys I was just getting started, so if you want to see what else I picked up, make sure to keep on watching. Okay, but before we get started, you've never seen me before and you love home decor and lifestyle vlogs and decorate with me's and shop with me's and yeah, hit that subscribe button, join my YouTube family, turn on the notification bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. All of my oldies but goodies also turn on the notification bell button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up before you leave today, and yeah, join the fam. Okay, so I told you guys that I was just getting started with my fall home decor. It's funny, not too long ago I had someone tell me like, Brenda, that's not that much of a difference. I know, girl, I'm just getting started. I popped into Target and Homegoods recently, and I did pick up more fall goodies, which I want to share with you guys. Remember, everything will be linked down below. So let's just jump straight in, starting off with Target, because that is where I get most of my holiday decor. I'm gonna be real with you guys. Homegoods, you know, every now and then I'll come across something really good, but make sure to stay to the very end, because I did pick up something amazing from Homegoods, which I cannot wait to share with you guys. So I will save the best for last. So you have to make sure you stay till the very end. Okay, so starting off with Target, let's start off with good old pumpkins. Now, these guys I picked up last year. I thought I had kept them, but I guess I didn't. I got rid of them. They must have gotten scratched or ruined during the holidays, so I picked myself up a brand new one. This one is by Threshold. It is very inexpensive, you guys. I'm not sure if they're gonna be bringing it out in a different size, but I got this one. I absolutely love the texture. I love the color to it. Of course, it is a neutral pumpkin, so it goes with my decor. I will be filling up this guy with some candy. That is really the intentions that I got it with, or I could, of course, utilize it for something else. But even alone, the aesthetic of it is so cute. I thought it was perfect for my kitchen, which, by the way, I just redid my kitchen shelves. A lot of you guys are requesting more kitchen decor videos throughout the year. I don't do much to my kitchen. I like to keep it very simple and minimal, but during the holidays I do like to add goodies like this one. So of course, stay tuned. I will be sharing a lot more kitchen decor throughout the holidays. So this is the first item. I don't remember how much it was. I will link it down below, but I do remember it was very inexpensive. It wasn't expensive at all. Now, to go with this guy, I got these little guys. Again, sticking to kitchen decor. These are little pumpkins. You guys, look how cute these are. It is a salt and pepper shaker. I was telling my husband, like, I could just imagine you cooking and using this. It'll be the cutest thing. He thinks it's so lame, but I thought it was funny. So these are by Threshold salt and pepper shaker set. You guys can see right here. Let me see. I'll probably just take it out of the box since I'm already sharing it with you guys. I thought these would look so cute next to that pumpkin. So I have this corner where I have a picture frame in my kitchen. If you guys are familiar with it, it's still there. I will be removing it and putting these guys there. I will be picking up a lot more kitchen decor as well, but these guys were perfect, and I'll probably keep them all throughout like November as well, so October and November, like into Thanksgiving. You guys can see right here, look how adorable. I mean, can you just imagine, like, you know, cooking and just smell salt. I thought they were adorable. I could not leave them behind, and I thought I'm gonna place this guy in a corner somewhere with some candy or whatever I want to place it with, and I thought these would look so cute next to it. I mean, Halloween vibes, am I right? Like, you guys, this year I was more excited than last year to deck out my home in Halloween decor, especially because we didn't really get to celebrate it last year, unfortunately. So this year we are excited. I am going to be going to Oogie Boogie Bash at Disneyland, which, by the way, I just got my Disneyland pass back, so our weekly Disneyland trips are going to begin. Go follow me on Instagram so you guys can hang out with me at Disneyland. We're also gonna be going to Horror Nights in 2 weeks. I'm going with my brother and my sister-in-law and my husband. We're gonna have a parents' night out, and there's the pumpkin patches, and just, you guys, I am just so excited for October. Like, I am ecstatic for October. And then, of course, after October comes November, and then December, and then I just love the holidays. But yeah, you guys can see that clearly I love me some pumpkins, so I picked up those for my kitchen. These pumpkins will be going in my kitchen. And I picked up this little guy. So this little guy is by Threshold. It is a candy dish, again sticking to the same aesthetic. I thought I grabbed it. Okay, I'm back. So I actually already have this one set out on my coffee table with our favorite chocolate candy. You guys can see right here. I thought this was so cute. They did have a larger like bowl, which was really, really pretty, but I decided to go with the little ones because I figured these would look cute pretty much anywhere that I put them, on my kitchen shelves, on my coffee table, pretty much anywhere really. They're so small, and I'm gonna fill them up with more of these candies. Oh, I love these so much. I don't want to say the name because I'm gonna totally just sabotage the name, like Ferrero Rocher. I'm telling you guys, but I love them. However you pronounce the name, I absolutely love these chocolates. It is like my ultimate favorite chocolate. And so yeah, I'm gonna fill up this little guy with it too. Again, these are from Threshold, so you guys can totally, you know, pick up this cute idea right here if you're gonna be having guests over for Halloween or just in general all throughout the holidays. I thought this would be cute. You could even use these for Thanksgiving. I mean, I'll probably fill it up with more candy, but I am aiming for just these chocolates because we love them. So whenever we're hanging around here in the living room, we can just eat our candy, and that's actually Eddie's favorite candy too. So it is our favorite candy in general. So yeah, that's what I got as far as pumpkin decor. Now, next up, you guys are gonna call me crazy, but they got me, okay? They got me. So you guys know I'm a huge candle person. Let me back up a little bit. Right there, you guys can see they got me with these two right here. It is Cookie Caramel Rush and But First Pumpkin Lattes. Like, what? I couldn't leave this behind. So now this is the beginning of my addiction for the holidays. Okay, these are the first two that I picked up. And then I picked up these from Glade, which you guys can clearly see that I'm already practically done with them. You guys, all of September, I mean, we're not even that far in yet, but my home has been smelling like fall, okay? And it will smell like fall all through October, all through November. Like, I am going to take full advantage of fall this year, and I love this. I already went through it. I have pretty much a plug-in everywhere, in my bathrooms, in my son's room, in my living room, in my bedroom, and in my kitchen. I have a total of maybe 5 to 6 of these oil diffusers. And the reason why I like to get these, especially not only because of the fall scents, but because there's days that I don't want to burn my candles, because I don't like to go through them as quick, especially during the holidays. I like to have candles on deck if we're gonna have family over or friends over. So I thought this is a great way to pretty much save my candles, and they have so many fun scents right now to choose from. So definitely try this out, you guys. It's definitely a few of my favorites. So this is the Cashmere Woods, the Cookie Caramel Rush. I just know this one's probably gonna give me like a huge headache. I don't know, you guys, if it's just me, but when there's really, really sweet scents like this in my home, I get nauseous, I get a headache, but it's all worth it because I love them. So yeah, I'm gonna be feeling sick, but it's okay. I got But First Pumpkin Lattes, and hold on, one more. I know, I'm crazy. And then Pumpkin Spice. Oh, these are essential oils. I keep saying oil diffusers, but same thing. So yeah, you guys can clearly see that I have an obsession. I plan on taking these all out of their packaging and just have them like a little storage container. So whenever, again, I don't want to burn my candles, I just put these guys out and my home smells like fall. It literally smells like pumpkins in here right now. I wish you guys can smell it through the camera. Like, oh, I wish you guys can smell it. It smells so freaking good. But yeah, so that's a current obsession. Okay, moving on to a couple more things from Target. Now, this right here, I want to make sure I don't forget anything. Yeah, this is for my son. So of course, you guys know I love to keep a beautiful aesthetic here in my living room, but Halloween is for kids also, and of course I want my son to have fun with, you know, Halloween decor, and he loves going to the Halloween section with me. Right now we're trying to brainstorm what to be for Halloween, especially because we're going to the Oogie Boogie Bash. So there's like something that we want to do all together, like a themed costume type of look, and then he wants to get his own costume to wear on Halloween night. So I don't know, I really want to go with I am obsessed with this movie. I absolutely love The Greatest Showman. So I was thinking of maybe being like the ringleader and my son being the lion, and then Eddie, you know, something. We're brainstorming, so let me know some ideas down below. What are you guys gonna be for Halloween this year, or what are your kids wanting to be this year? But anyways, I'm just going blabbing on. So yeah, so what I'm the point that I was trying to get to was that Halloween is also for your kids, so you want to make sure that they have fun with it too. And I let him go to the Halloween section and pick out whatever decor he wanted for his room. He can do whatever he wants in there, and he picked up this little guy right here, which I thought was super cute for his room. This was pretty cute. He already has a lot of Nightmare Before Christmas Halloween decor from last year, which I brought up, and we also got this Jack Skellington pumpkin. This is pretty cool, you guys. It is a Jack Skellington pumpkin decorating kit. So you guys can see right here, you get the pumpkin, and you can do this with your kids. You actually paint it, and then you put like the little eyes and the nose and the mouth, and this was so cool. They had so many to choose from. I recommend you guys pick these up sooner than later because they will sell out. I was gonna get a Hocus Pocus one for me, but they only had Winifred Sanders, so I was like, no, let me wait off, see if they have any more characters, maybe Sarah or Mary, but or just a Hocus Pocus one in general because I love that movie so much. But for Aiden, he absolutely loved this one, and this is something totally fun to do with your kids. If you know you don't plan on going out on Halloween night, you just want to stay home, pop on your favorite Halloween movies, that's a totally cool idea to do with your kiddos, and they have them at Target. Go pick them up before they sell out. Okay, that's pretty much all that I got from Target. It wasn't a lot, I'm telling you guys, but let's move on to Homegoods. Now, like I mentioned earlier, Homegoods is definitely a hit or miss. When I go into Homegoods, I don't go specifically for something. I try to just keep my eye out to see if there is something that catches my attention. And if you guys caught my latest video, it is so crazy. Like, I love when I come across pieces like this at Homegoods. Like, I love it. It makes me so happy. I mentioned these pumpkins, which I'll pop a picture right here, you guys can see, from Pottery Barn, that I was legit gonna go drive down there, you guys. And let me tell you, the nearest Pottery Barn to me is at least an hour. So I was gonna drive there, buy these pumpkins. Tell me why. Tell me why, you guys. I'm telling you, I got you guys. Like, make your way to Homegoods and pick up this boucle pumpkin. Look how cute this is. Like, I am going crazy, you guys. Look at this. It is boucle. Oh my gosh. And it is like a really nice boucle material. Like, it is not cheap, if you guys know what I mean. And I got it for, where it is, $14.99. You guys can see that, $14.99. It is the exact same one from Pottery Barn. You guys, like, do not sleep on Homegoods. Go to your Homegoods, pick this guy up. I actually got the bigger one. They had a smaller one too, which now I regret not getting it because I already had the idea of going down to Pottery Barn this weekend. But I looked at the website, it was the exact same thing. Even like the top of the pumpkin is the exact same texture, the exact same everything. Like, I couldn't believe it. So pretty much a huge Pottery Barn dupe found at Homegoods. And you guys know that I wanted to incorporate some browns into my decor. I plan on going to Pottery Barn still and picking up the white one, unless I get lucky and I find it at Homegoods. I wanted to place both of these on my accent chair, just laying on top of the blanket. I thought that would look so cute. And then I'm still on the hunt for the perfect throw pillows for my couch. I plan on getting just 2 of them, but these guys are just perfect. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, go to Homegoods, get this guy. Even thrown on your bed, it would be so freaking cute. And again, we're sticking to the neutral, like, aesthetic. So it was just perfect. The brand of it is, I don't even know, Pumpkin Patch Playful Plush Decor. It doesn't even say who it's by, but oh my god, I am in love. You guys can see, I am so in love. I love it, and it's so soft too. So it's funny, Eddie was like, how do you find these things? I'm like, I don't know, I just come across them at Homegoods, and I'm just like, I gotta let you guys know, I gotta let my YouTube fam know to go to Homegoods. Don't go to Pottery Barn. Pick yourself up that beautiful boucle little pumpkin pillow and make it a whole vibe in your home. Okay, next up, now this piece isn't new. If you guys have been subscribed to my channel since last year, which by the way, so many of you guys are tagging me that you're watching my fall home decor from last year, which is great, you guys. If you guys haven't checked it out, go check it out, because a lot of the pieces at Target, they bring them back. So if you guys see something that you like in one of my videos, click the link in the description box. Go check if it's available again at Target, because again, these are pieces that they bring back every year. And I love that you guys tag me and you guys are seeing my videos. That just makes me so happy. And of course, hit that follow on Instagram so we can chat it up and you guys can keep up with me on there. But yeah, what I was gonna share with you guys is this wreath right here. So you guys remember I got this last year. I really hope Homegoods brings it back because I absolutely love it. I'm gonna hang it back up on my door. I just found it. I had it stored away and I told Eddie, like, bring it out. It's time to put it up on my door. And it is made of real pampas, you guys. So I plan on hairspraying this guy because, man, it's been shedding like crazy. But it goes perfect with my decor, and I don't remember how much I got it for, you guys, but again, Homegoods tends to do that as well, and they tend to bring back similar pieces from the year before. So if you guys see this one, definitely pick it up. I'm telling you guys, look, I already have like pampas everywhere. There's just pampas everywhere. So hairspray that guy. I try to fluff it up as much as I could because it was in storage. It kind of, it shrunk. But it's okay. I absolutely love it. Maybe if I come across one at HomeGoods, it's the exact same one, I'll repurchase it. That's how much I love it. I think it's the most perfect fall wreath out there. So yeah, definitely pick that guy up. That is pretty much all that I picked up from HomeGoods. There is one more item that I want to share with you guys that I picked up from Amazon. I know, I plan on doing an Amazon haul real soon for you guys. I love picking up stuff from Amazon, especially right now for the holidays. They have a lot of goodies to choose from. But this guy right here, come fall, I am going to start using my Nespresso machine yet again. Although I will be going to Starbucks. I mean, come on, you guys. You guys know, like, coffee's my lifeline. I have to have my coffee, and Starbucks has the pumpkin cream cold brew, which I absolutely cannot live without. But I am going to try to make that coffee here at home with my Nespresso machine, and because I'm going to start drinking a lot of my lattes here at home, I picked up this really cute doubleware glass from Amazon. Look at the aesthetic, you guys. Not only is it so cute, but I love it. I can't wait to drink up my coffee in this guy, watch my favorite movies. I can even drink my iced coffee. I want to pick up another one. This one was 20 bucks. I'm going to try to find a cheaper one for you guys, but I will still link this one down below if you guys want to pick it up. I love this like ripple aesthetic. You guys know I'm obsessed with it. It's very like modern French vibes, and yeah, I'm just excited to have it for the holidays to make my iced coffees or my, you know, lattes, espressos, whatever I want in this guy. And again, I got it from Amazon. I was trying to keep my eyes out at HomeGoods to see if I found something similar, but not yet. If I do come across something, I will definitely let you guys know. But yeah, that completes today's haul. I told you guys I was just getting started. I am super excited to continue to add fall home decor pieces here to my home. I already have a few videos up from all the pieces that I've been collecting here and there. And you guys know the fall fashion is also something that I live for. So I would love for you guys to let me know down below if you want me to do maybe an entire collective fall decor haul, maybe like, you know, wardrobe and home decor and beauty products and just everything fall related. I will absolutely love to do that. So give this video a huge thumbs up. I know you guys love hauls. I love hauls too. And I hope you guys check out these pieces for yourself. Let me know if you will be picking up any of these pieces for your home, and how is your fall decor coming? Like, I want to see. Tag me on Instagram so I can see your beautiful homes decked out in fall home decor. I am excited to be putting out these babies everywhere now. I'm gonna go put my little pumpkin on my accent chair. So yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe. I'll catch you guys all next time. Bye. Okay, what did you want to show them?
My Jack Skellington.
Oh, your Jack Skellington. You guys, he wanted to share with you guys his Jack Skellington. Is that your favorite character from the movie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jack Skellington and what's his name?
Who?
Zero and Oogie Boogie. But my favorite is Zero.
Oh, okay. What were you doing earlier with my pumpkin? What were you saying about Mama?
I'm Brenda Michelle, and today I'm gonna be showing you my pumpkin from HomeGoods.
What stores does Mama love?
HomeGoods.